Hello students, very good morning to all of you. This is lecture number 1 of Unit 8. Unit 8 is D and F block elements. D and F block elements is one of the important unit of class 12 chemistry. D and F block elements. Now introduction of D and F block elements. D block elements are often called as transition elements because their position in periodic table is between the S block and P block elements. Transition means in between, and D block elements are situated in the periodic table in between P block and S block elements. That is why it is also called transition elements. Their properties are transitional between the highly reactive metallic elements of S block, which form ionic compounds, and the elements of P block, which are largely covalent. Means properties of transitional elements lies between the highly reactive metallic elements S block, which form ionic compounds, and the element of P block, which forms largely covalent bond. Now, typically the transition elements have an incompletely filled d orbital A transition elements may be defined as the element whose atom in ground state or ion in one of common oxidation states has partially filled d subshell. That means having electrons between 1 to 9. So dear students, D block elements are also called transition elements, and in transition elements d orbitals are incompletely filled. A transition element may be defined as the element whose atom in ground state or ion in one of common oxidation states and partially filled d subshell have electrons between 1 to 9, and only partially filled d orbitals are called transition elements. Now group 12, the zinc group. Group 12 is also called zinc group, and elements have completely filled d orbitals in the ground state as well as in their common oxidation states. Therefore, they are not regarded as transition elements. Group 12 element is zinc group, and in this group all the elements have completely filled d orbitals in ground state as well as their common oxidation states. That is why they are regarded as non-transition elements. And in group 12 zinc, cadmium, and mercury are involved in transition series, but they are called non-transition elements due to completely filled d orbitals. The group 12 elements have completely filled d orbitals. That is why they are considered non-transition elements. The general electronic configuration of d block elements is n-1 into d 1 to 10 into ns 1 to 2, where n is the outermost shell. However, palladium does not follow this general electronic configuration. It has electronic configuration krypton 36, means atomic number of krypton is 36, PD10 5s0, means last outermost electronic configuration of palladium is 4d10 5s0 in the order to have stability. So dear student, it is very important to know or learn the outermost electronic configuration, or you can say general electronic configuration of d block element is n-1 into d 1 to 10 ns 1 to 2, where n is the outermost shell. D block elements are divided into 4 series. In first series, element lies from scandium to zinc. Atomic number of scandium is 21 to atomic number of zinc is 30, means atomic number 21 to 30 lies between first series. And second series is also called 4D series, and first series is also called 3D series. 3D series or first series, 4D series or second series, and 5D series or third series, and 6D series is fourth series. In second D series, atomic number of 39 to 48, or you can say ytterbium to cadmium, is second series, or you can say 4D series. Or atomic number from 57 to 80, in third series, lanthanum 57, then hafnium 72 to 80 are 3D series.